to our third game in our pre-reading skills series, looking at what's that sound. We've done the beginning, we've found the end, now we're going to find the middle parts of words. So just like you've been doing, we're going to do some where I go by myself, then you're going to do some together, then you'll have a turn going all by yourself. So we're listening for the sound that we can hear in the middle of a word. So I'm going to tell you the word, then I'm going to separate it into the smaller sounds and tell you what I can hear in the middle. Our first word is hat. So when I hear the word, I'm going to say the sounds hat, at. Then I'm going to look at the sounds again and see what I can hear in the middle. At. At is the middle sound in hat. Word number 2, rid. So I'm going to say the word rid, then I'm going to say all of the sounds I can hear. Id, rid. 3 sounds. The sound in the middle I hear is I. I is the sound that I can hear in the middle of rid. Word number 3 is make. So I'm going to say make, then I'm going to say the sounds I can hear. Make. Now I want to find that middle sound. A is the middle sound in make. Our final word is bone. So I'm going to say the word bone, then I'm going to say the sounds that I can hear in the word. B-O-N. Then I'm going to find the sound that I can hear in the middle. B-O-N. O is the sound that I can hear in the middle of bone. I've done my turn. Now we're going to have a turn together. So we're going to work through this. Our first word is met. So let's say met. Met. Now let's say all the sounds that we can hear. T. 3 sounds. We're looking for the middle sound. T. E is the middle sound in met. Word number 2, dog. So let's say dog together. Dog. Let's say the sounds that we can hear. D-O-G. 3 sounds. We're looking for the middle sounds. Let's say them again. D-O-G. O is the middle sound in dog. Word 3, kite. Say the word kite. Let's say all the sounds we can hear. K-I-T. 3 sounds, so we're looking for the middle sounds. Let's say it again. K-I-T. I is the middle sound in kite. Our last word is lake. So let's say the word lake. Let's say all the sounds that we can hear. L-A-K. Now we want to find that middle sound because there are 3. Lake. L-A-K. A is the middle sound in lake. Now it's your turn. I'm going to give you some clues about how to do this. Then we'll say what the sound that we can hear together. Our first word is soak. So say the word. Say the sounds you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear in the middle of the word. The word soak. The sounds that I can hear are S-O-K. The middle sound in soak is O. Word number 2, cup. Say the word cup. Tell me the sounds you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear in the middle. So the words cup. K-up. We're listening for the middle sound. K-up. Is the middle sound in cup. 2 more. So the word is seat. Say the word seat. Tell me all the sounds you can hear. Tell me the sound you hear in the middle. Seat. Eat. E is the sound that I can hear in the middle of seat. Last one. Tap. Say the word tap. Tell me the sounds you can hear. Tell me the sound that you can hear in the middle. Tap. T-a-p. T-a-a-a is the middle sound in tap. That's all of our words done for today. Thanks for joining us. Really looking forward to seeing you for our next game, where we're going to look at syllables. So we've looked at the beginning, middle, and end sounds in words. Now we're going to be counting syllables. See you then.